Hello friends, welcome to our channel Pythonji. Today we are going to explore the advantage and disadvantages of Python, one of the most popular programming language in the world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will give you a comprehensive overview of Python's pros and cons. Let's dive in. Advantages of Python. Python syntax is easy to learn and read. Then Python is dynamically typed, which means you don't need to declare variable types before using them. This flexibility makes it easier to write code and focus on logics. Python is a free and open source software. Python is completely free and open source, which means anyone can use, modify, and distribute it. This had led to a massive community of developers contributing to its growth. Moving towards next slide, portable. Python codes can run on multiple platforms including Windows, Mac and Linux without any modification. This portability makes it a great choice for cross-platform development. Python have extensive libraries including NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and many more. Python has a vast collection of libraries and frameworks that make it suitable for various applications such as data science, web development, and more. Wide applications used in web, AI, data science, app development, and more. Python has a great collections of various industries including web development, data science, app development, scientific computing and many more. Then extensible and integrable. Python can be easily integrated with other languages such as C, Java and C++, making it a great choice for projects that require multiple languages. Then Python is an interpreted language, which means Python's natures make it easier to write and test code as you don't need to compile it before running. This leads to faster development and debugging. Memory management. Python's automatic memory management takes care of memory allocation and deallocation, freeing you to focus on the code logic. Then improved productivity. Python's simplicity, flexibility, and extensive libraries make it ideal choice for rapid prototyping and development, leading to improved productivity. Then large active community support continuous development and help for Python programming. Now let's focus on disadvantages of Python. While Python has many advantages, it's not without its drawback. Here are some of its key disadvantages. Poor database access. Python's database access layer is not as developed as some other languages, which can make it challenging to work with database. Then Python's dynamic typing can lead to runtime error, which can be time consuming to debug and fix. Python's global interpreter lock can limit the performance of multi-threading applications, making it less suitable for certain use cases. So let's focus on key points of disadvantages of Python. First, simple syntax limits learning, then slow speed and high memory use, weak mobile computing, then poor database access, runtime error and limited multi-threading. So that's it for the video. While Python is a powerful and versatile language, it's essential to consider its pros and cons when choosing a language for your project. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.